Gets me flowing to Lil Jones, B.I.B.I.B. You know this ain't a fucking game when I creep up on the spot. Install a ventilation with 2 diamond-sided Glocks when the clock talks. The only sound you hear is 2 beating hearts. That's mine and yours, nigga, what you gon' do? I caught my armor, sight your dope killer with passion. Yo, I'm thrashing those who try to say my style ain't sweet. My tongue packed with armor, taking niggas off the feet. I hate them niggas flash money when they talk. I leave them brains soaking the sidewalks and leave them bodies outlined with chalk. Cause as my gun claps so fast, it's crashed inside your head and hit me roar like the sounds of a tiger. As blood flows and runs down the side of your face, you start to realize that you done made a fucking mistake. You fucking with fate, and now you try to eat off my plate. In this world, there's 2 types of people. That's why I packed it. There's an eagle for them niggas that be see-through, but see, that's where I stand, in the middle of this land with 2 gaps in hand. And I can't even trust my man, he all about getting his. And yo, he blast his way out before he ever did a bid. But on every level of conversation, there be no hesitation. If I decide to pop off and make it hot balls, you taste it. You can find me out here with a pocket full of sunflower seeds. Them ain't the ones that you eat the 4/5 or make you bleed. As I proceed, stepping in this bitch gon' get it wet. I'm a vet, and I bet they won't never forget. Fool, I'm a vet. Chest cavities filling up with hot slugs, kinda like up in them hotels, filling up them hot tubs. Fuck the bud, we drinking Henny till we can't stand up. Don't get manned up, thinking I'm drunk, I'm just tipsy.